Lately I've been low down, losing all control. Henny with the soda, I've been on a roll, I've been taking toll.
Hey bougie babes, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Reesie. This is my beauty channel where we come to slay, especially on a budget. And if you're new, don't forget to hit that red button down below and turning on your post notifications. As you can tell, I'm rocking a new Amazon wig. This hair is gonna be on the screen because I totally forgot the name of this hair, but I ended up trying a Yaki textured wig that I bought from Amazon. So if you're interested in all of the details about this unit and how I install this unit and create this super cute style for the fall, then definitely keep on watching. Bye. Alrighty, you guys, so you are here because you want to know more information about this wig. This wig company that I bought it from on Amazon is called VIP Beauty Store. This is their 28-inch, 180% density, Yaki kinky, straight 13x4 lace frontal unit. It does state HD transparent lace. Maybe, I guess. But I did get it in a 28-inch for $186. Yes, and it came within about 4 days for me. So this came super quick. The hair. So all about my review, and later on I will show you how I install this unit, how I customize and install this unit. But for my pros and cons, the pros is going to be out of this world. So when I received this unit, it is thick, you guys. When I tell you this unit is going to last you a few months, it's going to last you a few months because this hair is so thick. I was kind of scared. I was like, wait, did I get a higher density than 180%? So if you're looking for a nice straight unit wig that looks very natural, because it is a Yaki texture, so it does look more like black people hair, like my hair when it straightens, so it looks a lot more natural. It does not shed. Oh my gosh, even though it's super thick, it didn't shed or tangle, so I'm shook about that. The knots bleached really good. I did leave the bleach in for about 20 minutes. Yes, it was a long time, and I feel like I could have bleached a little bit more, but the knots bleached really good, so I have no complaints about that. You just have to let it sit for a longer period of time since it is like an Amazon wig. The hairline is very thick, so I don't know if that is a pro or con for you. For me, it's kind of like a con because now it's taking a lot more time to customize the unit. So if you're not a girly who likes to customize units, this shouldn't be a wig for you, because you will have to have some elbow grease plucking the unit. And even when you pluck the unit, it still looks a lot thick, which I'm not mad about because the hair will last longer if the hair is, you know, thick. But you will need to use some elbow grease when you are plucking this unit. Even after you bleach it, you're still gonna have to pluck it, and that could be like a little bit of a job for you. So that's the only con for me, because everything else, the hair fits me, the wig fits me perfectly. My head size is average, so my head is not too big or too small, so it does fit like around 21-inch circumference to 22-inch circumference. So if you're below that or above that, it might be too big or too small for you. So definitely measure your head before purchasing this unit and getting and understanding your head size when receiving wigs. So yes, it was easy to install, like super easy to install. The lace itself is a little thick and rusted, like not rusted, but like the lace texture might irritate some skins because it's not very soft. It's more like a sandpaper material in a way. So over like maybe a few days, you might get irritated with your skin if your skin is very sensitive. But that's like super minor. Like I doubt it. I'm just saying that just to say it. But overall, I am obsessed with this wig. I highly recommend it. I highly recommend it as a 100% buyer and a wig influencer for about like 7 years. This hair, I'm very shook. that it came out really, really good. This is gonna be one of my favorite wigs, okay? So I highly recommend. And that's basically it, y'all. Stay tuned. I'll be showing you how I install this or customize this unit and install this unit if you are interested in doing this super cute hairstyle, or how to like customize this unit if you are thinking about purchasing it. So thank you so much and stay tuned for that video.
I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why, where you going? Nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Licking the plate, being the plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams all night. She can make all the problems disappear. She could tell you the things you wanna hear. She could read your mind and then she could rely of a little lies to tell yourself at night. Never get it wrong, it's always right. Making the plate, being the plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules.
for tuning in. This is how the hair came out. I'm obsessed with it. Don't forget, you guys, to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. I will do a month update for you just because it's only right to show you how this hair is holding up after a month. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share it with others, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
I know what you need.